Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Rosario Smith. As you guys know, it's that time again. It's the weekly market review, and I'll be taking you guys through the trades I took this week, why I took it, how I took it, trade management, and the outcome of the trades, guys. So let's get into the market and let me show you guys what happened this week. By the way, it's been a crazy week in the market. The market's dropped significantly. Everyone's on the edge of their seats. It's been crazy, guys. But nonetheless, let's get it on the market. Week after week, day after day, we review the market. So, guys, this is the first trade I took for the week that I took on Monday, guys. And let's get straight into it, guys. So as you guys can see right now, we are looking at the 1 minute chart. We're looking at Great British Pound and the Japanese Yen, and I'm gonna explain my analysis to you guys, the setup, why I took the trade, and yeah, let's get into it, guys. So immediately, as we can see on the left, right here on the left, we got this move towards the downside. And after that significant move towards the downside, we saw the market gaining momentum, bulls entering the market, pushing price significantly higher, breaking this previous high in the market, and which caused a change of character in the market, which made me realize and see that the market is behaving different, which made me look at bullish opportunities. And as you guys can see, after this change of character right in the market, we saw the market pushing towards the downside. The market pushing towards the downside to the significant demand zone right here. We have this significant demand zone where my horizontal line is at. And as you guys can see, the market respected this demand zone right there. And we have this nice descending channel, which indicates to me there's a possibility that we might see the market moving higher. And what happened is the market broke out of this nice descending channel quite impulsively, as you guys can see with this nice bullish momentum that we have in the market. The market pushed up, gave us a strong bullish close above this previous highs that led to this lows right here, indicating to me that the market may be giving us bullish momentum. And as you guys can see, look here, this previous resistance, I was actually anticipating the market to give me a nice support on this level right here. And there on this support becoming resistant is where I took my trade, guys. And as you guys can see what happened, I placed my stop loss right below this low right here, and the market actually reversed, guys, hitting my stop loss. I think the market took me out on a 0.5% when I actually executed this trade, guys. So this is the first trade of the week, guys. On GBP JPY, I took a loss of 0.5% on this specific trade, guys. And yeah, let's get into the second trade of the week, guys. Okay, nice. As you guys can see, we are looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. As you all know, the abbreviation US30, and we're looking at the 1 minute chart, guys. So let me take you guys through this setup, why I took the trade, and how the trade actually panned out, guys. So let's get into it. As you guys can see, this blue horizontal, actually blue rectangle right here, that represents an overall demand within the market. Actually, it represents a higher time frame such as my 1 hour and my 4 hour demand level in the market, which is quite significant. And after that, after discovering or looking at this demand zone, I saw the market moving actually correctively within the market. I saw a corrective phase within the market. As you guys can see, the market has been pushing correctively slowly towards the downside with no actual momentum within the market, which showed me this pattern that I'm looking at right now, which is actually a nice descending channel that I'm looking at right now. So guys, a descending channel indicates to me that there's a high possibility we may see an increase in price. What do I mean by that? It simply means that there's a high possibility that the market may move higher. Bulls may step into the market. And as you guys can see, we have this nice first touch, second touch, third touch right there. The market pushed up. The market did not give us a change of character or any break of significant highs within the market. However, the market did pull back slightly, giving us a nice break out of this nice overall channel right here, guys. As we see, the market broke out quite impulsively, guys. The market gave me a strong bullish close above this significant high right here, guys. And I actually anticipated to take an entry signal as soon as the market broke this significant high. And I actually waited for the market to turn this resistance level into a support level, guys. And I placed my stop loss right below this low, guys. And let's see how the market played out, guys. Okay, nice. As you guys can see, the market pushed up, slightly pushed up. I think we actually were looking at a 1-to-1 as the market pushed up. However, the market then retraced, guys, and hit my stop loss, guys. And as you guys know, just the markets, guys. I risked another 0.5% on this specific trade, guys, and the market stopped us out, guys. The market happens, guys. Not every trade is gonna go as planned, but these are good losers. What do I mean by good losers? I stick, I stuck to my trading plan. I stick to my trading plan. That's why it's a good loser. In this scenario, I stuck to my trading plan. I followed everything to the T, and the market hit my stop loss, guys. There's nothing you can do about it. We just move on to the next trade, guys. So let's get into the next trade I took for the week. Nice, guys. Nice. Excuse me. As you guys can see, all of my trades, they look the same. Majority of my trades that I'm executing, they look the same, guys. Let's look at this British pound Japanese yen trade. This is the 1 hour chart, guys. Oh, and yeah, I'm looking at an overall supply level right there in the market. I can see this nice fake outs trapping buyers on the wrong side of the market. The market gave me this significant ascending channel, indicating to me there's a high possibility that we might see a decline in GBP JPY. And what further confirmed this decline, this possible decline within the market, as you guys can see, this low right here led to a significant high in the market, giving us a higher high in the market. However, look at this significant shift in momentum. So the market took out this low, this previous low, and gave us a lower low within the market. And further, what we have right here, guys, is a nice corrective continuation structure within the market after we had a nice breakout. the market printed a corrective continuation structure, guys. And look at this, guys. This is where I took my entry. The market broke out quite impulsively. Let me just zoom in. As you guys can see, look look there, guys. The market broke out quite impulsively, giving us a nice bearish candlestick, guys. And I took my entry upon this support level, anticipating it to become resistance on my 1 minute chart. I had a quite tight stop loss, guys, and let's see how the market played out. Let's see how the market played out, guys. Okay, nice. Let's see how the market played out, guys. Okay, nice. Nice. Okay, as you guys can see, the market actually hit my stop loss, guys, and I took a 1% loss on this specific trade, guys. And yeah, this is what happened. As I said, all my setups, analysis, it's the same, guys. I don't have any variations. I'm sticking to my strategy, what I learned, and I know it's gonna play out over time. Over time. Nice. So this is the next trade I took the following day, and as you guys can see, we have yet again overall supply level within the market. This is the 1 minute chart. We're looking at GBP JPY, guys. We have this nice bearish momentum towards the downside. I'm actually anticipating a continuation to the downside on this specific trade. However, I saw the market pushing towards the upside in a corrective manner, and then the market corrected nicely, indicating to me that as a possibility that price is going to move higher. So what did I do, guys? Look at this nice corrective continuation facing the market, giving me a nice descending channel. The market gave me a strong breakout right here, impulsive move, closing quite impulsively above previous highs in the market, guys. And on this previous resistance level, anticipating anticipating it to become support is where I actually took my buy entry right here, guys, anticipating it to reach this significant level, guys. And yeah, as you guys can see, this trade actually hit my take profit. So on this specific trade, I banked at 3%. However, I closed a bit early on this trade because I knew we are looking at a counter trend trade. It was not pro trend. Hence, we are looking at this overall possible continuation structure within the market. But nonetheless, guys, I bagged 3% on GBP JPY, guys. And this, I think, it's the second last trade I took for the week. But nonetheless, guys, let's get straight into the next trade. Okay, this trade, guys, I did not actually have a very concrete uh, hypothetical situation within the market. I don't have a hypothesis that was backed with my strategy within the market, guys. Excuse me, I'm just very fatigued. It's been a long day, but anyways, I did not have a strong hypothesis within the market that's actually backed by my strategy, guys. And yeah, so what happened on this specific trade, as you guys can see, the market broke down below, broke this key level of demand slash a support, gave us a strong close, which I actually executed this trade on this resistance, which my entry was perfect, but my overall analysis, I'm actually not quite proud of this specific trade. as it doesn't align with my overall analysis and strategy within the market, guys. But nonetheless, uh, as you guys can see, I entered previous support level anticipating it to become resistance and anticipating the market to trigger me in. And what happened was the market actually proceeded, guys, to hit my stop loss, guys. However, this trade actually went in my overall direction on the higher time frame, guys. And yeah, I took this loss. However, as I've said before, I'm not actually proud of my hypothesis and the analysis behind this specific trade, guys. But nonetheless, I took 4 trades, guys, for the week. Actually, five. Let me just make sure. One, two, three, two. Okay, I took 5 trades for the week, guys, and I have 4 losses and 1 win, guys. One win, one take profit, as you guys can see this one, and the rest is history, guys. I'll see you guys next week. Make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, share and subscribe, and we are going to the top together, guys. Definitely, I'm being transparent. I'm sharing my journey with you guys. I'll be dropping some nuggets in regards to the financial markets. It's been a crazy week in the markets. The markets have been tanking. Nasdaq dropped, I think, approximately 5%, the highest drop we have seen since all-time highs in the market in, I would say, the last decade or so. But nonetheless, guys, it's Rosario Smith. Hit that like button, comment down below, share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.